Another little tool hack I came up with in case you have a spring that you need to compress, or you have too many teeth, because this will take care of both of those. Just welded a piece of angle underneath there, not to the jack, but to these side supports here. And then up at the top, just build a little angle shelf in there. If I was going to do this more often, I would have cut these to length and maybe put holes in here so it's adjustable for different stuff. And I would have also made a brace go from up there down to the corner of the jack to give it more stability. As it is now, as you jack it up, you got to kind of hold right here to keep it from shooting out one way or another. But it actually does work good. I've already done one of these with it. This is the second one, so yeah, either way, compress a spring or take your teeth out.